Not everyone wants a dog that needs to run. A marathon every morning. While border collies and huskies are amazing, sometimes we just want a buddy who is happy to binge watch TV shows and take long naps on a Sunday afternoon. If your idea of the perfect weekend involves a comfortable sofa rather than a hiking trail, you need a low-energy breed. Today on the Doggo Zone, we are counting down the top 10 Laziest Dog Breeds in the world. These are the masters of relaxation, the kings of the cushion, and the ultimate couch potatoes. Let's find your chill companion. Ranked 10, starting at number 10, is the regal Shih Tzu bred originally to sit inside the palaces of Chinese emperors. This dog has literally thousands of years of experience in doing absolutely nothing. The Shih Tzu has no hunting instinct and no desire to herd sheep. Their main job description is to be beautiful and sit on your lap. They are happy with a short stroll around the block, and then it's back to indoor play. Just be careful. They are so cute that it is easy to spoil them with treats, so watch their waistline. Ranked number 9, Chow Chow at number 9. We have the Chow Chow, often described as the cat of the dog world. The Chow Chow is dignified, independent, and very low energy. They are not the type of dog that will beg you to play, fetch for hours. In fact, they might look at you like... They prefer to lay quietly in a corner, guarding the house with one eye open. They overheat easily due to their thick fur, so they have a legitimate... On sunny days, a perfect silent roommate. Rank Furberoin, Peking. Number 8 is another ancient palace, Dweller the Pekingese. This dog carries itself with a rolling gait that suggests they are in no hurry to get anywhere. And they aren't Pekingese for their size, but they are definitely indoor dogs. They are fiercely loyal and affectionate with their owners, but don't care much for running around. A brief walk to do their business is usually enough. And then they demand to be carried back to their throne, your sofa. Rank number 7, Great Dane. Coming in at number 7 is a massive Surprise the Great Dane. You might think a dog the size of a pony needs acres of land to run, but the Great Dane is actually one of the laziest breeds on the planet. They are often called the world's largest lap dog once they pass their clumsy puppy phase. A Great Dane's favorite activity is leaning against you or sleeping. They have a slow metabolism and are gentle giants as long as you have a couch big enough to fit them, and they are incredibly calm companions. Rank number 6, Greyhound at number 6. The paradox of the dog world, the Greyhound. Yes, this is the fastest dog breed alive, capable of reaching 45 miles per hour. But here is the secret. They are sprinters, not marathon runners. After a quick 5-minute zoomie, a Greyhound is done for the day. They are famous for sleeping up to 18 hours a day. In the rescue community, they are lovingly known as 45 mile per hour couch potatoes. They are quiet, gentle, and perfect for apartments because they simply lay down and don't move. Rank number 5, Basset Hound. Number 5 is the face of laziness, the Basset Hound with their short legs and heavy bones. They are simply not built for speed. Everything about a Basset Hound is slow and relaxed. They love to sniff around the garden at a snail's pace, but once they are inside, they are essentially a piece of furniture. They are famous for being stubborn if a Basset Hound decides the walk is over and lies down on the sidewalk. Good luck moving him. They are sweet, funny, and incredibly low maintenance in the exercise department. Rank number 4, French Bulldog. At number 4 is the trendy French Bulldog. There is a reason Frenchies are the most popular city dogs. They are compact, muscular, and require minimal exercise. Because of their flat faces, they cannot handle intense cardio or heat. So short, easy walks are actually a health requirement, not just a preference. They are playful, but their battery drains fast. After 15 minutes of play, a Frenchie is ready for a 3-hour nap. They are the perfect balance of fun and chill. Rank number 3, Saint Bernard. Entering the top 3, we have the massive Saint Bernard. Originally used to find travelers in the snow, these dogs move at a slow, deliberate pace. They are calm, patient, and generally low-energy dogs. A fully grown Saint Bernard is a lot of dog to move around. So it's a good thing they prefer to stay put. They are a wonderful family. Dogs who are happy to watch. The kids play while they snooze on the rug. Just be prepared for a little bit of drool while they sleep. Rank number 2, runner-up at number 2 is the Pug A. Pug's motto is Multum in Parvo, which means a lot in a little package, but that package prefers to be stationary. Pugs are not athletes. They are lovers. They want to eat, sleep, and follow you to the kitchen. Like the Frenchie, their breathing limits their activity. So they are naturally inclined to take it easy if you want a dog whose heavy breathing sounds like a lullaby and who will never demand a 5-mile hike. The Pug is your soulmate. Ranked number 1, English Bulldog. And finally at number 1, the undisputed champion of laziness, the English Bulldog. If you look up couch potato in the dictionary, you should see a picture of this breed. They are stout, heavy, and have a shuffling walk that screams, "I'd rather be sleeping." Bulldogs are affectionate and funny, but they are notoriously hard to motivate. They will sleep, wake up to eat, and go back to sleep. For seniors or busy owners who want a loving companion with zero athletic demands, the English Bulldog is the king of chill. Remember, even lazy dogs need daily walks to stay healthy and keep their weight down. But with these breeds, a stroll around the block is plenty. Which of these sleeping champions would you invite onto your sofa? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this relaxing video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Doggo Zone. Thanks for watching and have a great nap.